You want to see some scrapes?
Say what?
You want to see scrapes?
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take what lost, no one's around for you.
Alright, what up YouTube? Welcome to a new video. Group ride time. I'm gonna have some music in here, so I might be a little quiet. I might have to like dub over some other music so I don't get copyright claim, but good times ahead. Sit back, relax, thumbs up while you're doing it. Here we go. Double packers are lame. Look at his ass crack hanging out. Come on. I can't. I gotta get in front of this.
Send a bill, they send a pay. Keep it real, keep the record straight. Keep it real, no time to fake. Authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the brain. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you.
Hey! You fucked up his wheelie! Yo, you didn't trust him?
Pick you up and they look down on you. Take one lost, no one's around for you. I won't stop.
Hey, stay behind me. I want to try to scrape.
I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop.
It's not smooth, the roads. I'm afraid I'm going to do it and I go into the other lane. Someone's wheelie in there. Are you blocking all lanes? I don't believe you.
Offense, no defense. Still strong, no weakness. Used to say I wouldn't beat this. Now they wish they could beat this. Tables set, now tables turn. Guys playing on sale. Know the price cause I know my worth. My time, get what I deserve. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while.
You would have got launched up his booty hole. The way Lewis likes it. In the back. His fucking seat comes off.
I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop.
It's totally different trying to scrape on the street. Like, it's such a mind job.
Call my phone, hit my line. Only ones who down for mine. Keep it super thorough, my way on this side. Keep it super thorough, my way on this
We'll get out of here.
Call my phone, hit my line. Only ones who down for mine. Keep it super thorough, my way on this side. Keep it super thorough, my way on this side.
Settle it down there, Photogromer. You're better than this. You got a Stunt mod series.
Heard you calling bluffs, I show him pretty.
Come on, let's go!
Son of God, now the sun is set. Keep it off the books and keep it coming in. Bitch, the old see what I'm coming in. The inside caramel just like a running grin. Call my phone, hit my line. Only ones who down for. Keep it super thorough.
Yeah, suit. Man, look at them shoes. Dorky over here. I'm so cool now. I'm finally cool. What? I scraped. It still counts. Still counts. It's not even, bro. In my brain, I'm fucking catching it going to a pump. The whole thing goes up. I gotta blame it on a riot. I'm not getting it. Hold on. They're getting worse.
Are you scraping with a handbrake or are you scraping with a foot brake?
If I start coming up back and then like it's going sideways, I'll do the handbrake.
Hey, quit taking your feet off. Foot brake. Foot brake.
Well, I get scared when I go sideways because I feel like I'm gonna have to take my feet off to balance it.
Well, honestly, if you go sideways and you just jam that brake, it'll still bring you. It'll bring you down crooked.
Yeah.
You'll be on the ground.
That's what I'm worried about because my wrist is still like hurting. Or maybe I'm just getting psyched out now. I don't know.
Too many eyes on you.
Yeah. Oh my god, that's slippery too. I don't see it happening.
The further you get close to that curb, the more pressure you get.
Yeah.
Trust me, I know.
I'm thinking that I'm gonna crash and hit a fucking gas pump. I'm thinking that someone's gonna put it on YouTube, on TikTok. I'm gonna go viral for all the wrong reasons.
Bad
publicity is good publicity.
Yeah, exactly.
I like your thinking.
Only ones who down for it, down for it. Keep it super thug my way on this side. Keep it super thug my way on this side. Heard you more funny, I just cut you off. Had some more friends like my brothers, I can't trust them. Same ones in your corner wanna see you fall. Now I only need a hand to count the ones who ball with me. Down to fall with me, down to put it on the line and lose a trial with me. Lose my brothers, different mothers, part of ball with me. Got the body to my pop, she break the law with me. Call my phone, hit my line. Only ones who down for it, down for it. Keep it super thug my way on this side. Keep it super thug my way on this side.
What the fuck? Drew! Drew, look at me! Look how she's holding on. the clone Grom fucking died.
You died?
Yeah. Your boy's Chinese shit blew up.
No, that's why I pulled over and it blew up.
I don't know, he just fucking, it died.
Grom just blew up, I think.
I don't know if it blew up, but it died. Chinese things, you know? First they give us coronavirus and then this. You want to do a stunt ride now that all the fast bikes gone? Okay. Yeah, we'll start it right here. Nobody's allowed to shift to third unless they're up on one. I'm gonna pull forward. Let's pull forward. It's so wobbly. Did you fix it?
Huh?
Did you fix it?
No, his fuel pump went out.
So what is he gonna do?
I don't know.
Just leave it over here?
They're pushing it.
Oh shit. They're pushing it all the way?
I don't know.
Oh, there they go. Let's go. Let's go. That was straight pushing them.
Call my phone, hit my line. Only ones who down for it, down for it. Keep it super thug my way on this side. Keep it super thug my way on this side.
Never buy a knockoff!
China!
That ain't the first thing that's wrong with that bike either.
Bro, he's gonna push that all the way back to Riverview?
No, I'm gonna go grab my truck.
Okay, let me get my pump before you go do that.
Forgot we had that.
Yeah, I know you did. It would have been in your fucking bike real quick. Thank you. Let's see what this cop's doing. U-turn. Hey, hold on. How you doing? We just had a bike breakdown. We're just trying to figure out how to get a truck back here to pick them up. We're trying to keep everyone off the road, but they're gonna go somewhere down there, and then we're just gonna bring a truck to pick them up.
Where exactly are you guys going to go?
Where's he gonna get the truck? Oh, it's just like a ride. Just everyone's riding around. It's kind of dying out now. We've been doing it for a while. Why, you getting any calls on us?
Yeah.
All right, I'll let them know. We've been doing this for a couple hours, so we'll settle it down though. Well, be safe, man. All right, appreciate it.
What do you say?
No, he's cool.
You lead, we'll push.
I want to stay behind you guys. Just keep going straight. You'll be all right. Trying to get rear-ended. So people ask me a lot of times, should I get a Chinese knockoff Grom? And here's the answer right here. If you like being eco-friendly, then yes, you should. You're just gonna make sure you gotta have a couple of guys with Groms. Yeah, just buy a Grom. Whoop. China. We pushed them. Get some pictures of me, bro. That was it. Woo! That's the same cop? How you doing? We got a broken down bike. We're waiting for a truck to come tow him out.
Yeah, somebody called and complained about my noise, and they keep calling like every single night.
God, from here?
No, it's one of the people on the.
So there's a whole pack that left that are going home. Yeah.
Went on 301.
Yeah. We stayed back because we don't want to. It's like twisties or something back there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully you can't hear us. We got stock exhaust. You want to see some scrapes?
Say what?
You want to see scrapes?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, cool. Woo! Showing up for the caps. That's as loud as it gets.
If y'all are gonna stay out here, I kind of just advise against the noise. And
Yeah.
you can maybe shift closer
To the interstate? Yeah, that's fine. Sure. Is there houses like right there?
Yeah.
Okay. I got you. Yeah, we'll move it down that way. No, I understand. No biggie. No biggie.
Well, I appreciate you talking, man.
Be safe, man.
All right, man.
Be safe. Hey, let's move that way. Yeah, towards the interstate, because they're getting noise complaints on the house. Yeah, well, just on like that side, because there's houses right there. That was like my best scrape. You see that? Yeah. Those are cool cops. I like cool cops.
Some good ones.
Yeah. Nice. So we're gonna do one random comment. I'm gonna print out one of these pictures that I like, this one right here, and I'll send it to you. So one random comment, I'll pick the winner. Congrats to the winner of this little guy. I'll send you a message on the gram and get your information. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this, give it a like, subscribe, all that jazz, and I will see you in the next one. 89 comments that are not duplicates. Start. We're gonna pick a winner. All right, congratulations, Raiders Revenge. You won yourself this little guy and some loopy stickers. Congratulations. I got scared when I looked back and saw. God damn it.
Connected.